I know we've been told that aging is inevitable, that brain fog, fatigue, and that feeling your body betraying you is just part of getting older. But what if we can increase our health span? What if I told you there's a scientifically proven therapy that literally reverses your cellular aging at the DNA level? And I just completed 60 sessions to prove that it works. And for you today, I'm about to share my complete transformation. Hi, I'm Dr. Cheryl Russell, and I am proof that midlife can be your launch pad, not your finish line. I hold a PhD in developing people and organizations, and I've spent my career leading statewide consulting teams, mentoring thousands of small business owners, and evaluating programs at the national level. But here's the thing, at 49, my own life flipped upside down. I lost my husband of 31 years, became an empty nester, and left my cushy C-suite job. I had to reinvent myself from the ground up, and now I'm here to help women just like you find clarity, confidence, and joy in your own next chapter. And that's exactly why I'm documenting every single detail of this hyperbaric journey. Because if there's a way to optimize our bodies and our minds for the second half of life, I'm going to find it and share it with you. The truth is, ladies, if I can do this, you definitely can do this. If this speaks to you, please hit that subscribe button. It tells YouTube you want to hear more of this kind of information to thrive in midlife, and honestly, your engagement helps me motivated to share these stories with you. Let me guess what's happening in your world right now. You're tired. Not just I need a coffee tired, but this bone deep exhaustion that sleep doesn't fix. Your brain feels foggy, like you're thinking through molasses, and you walk into rooms and forget, why was I even here? Here's what nobody tells us. I was there too. After my life turned upside down, I wasn't just dealing with emotional trauma. My body was literally breaking down. I'd wake up feeling like I'd been hit by a truck. My cognitive performance was shot. I tried everything. Supplements, hormone therapy, meditation retreats. Some helped temporarily, but nothing gave me back that feeling of being alive in my own body. The root problem wasn't just stress or aging, it was cellular hypoxia. My cells were literally starving for oxygen, and no amount of surface level solutions could fix that. Here is what we're going to cover today. My complete 60-session hyperbaric oxygen therapy journey. The shocking changes that happened in weeks 11 and 12. What the science says about cellular regeneration. The waiting game before retesting. How to maintain results long term. So here's what I discovered. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy isn't some trendy wellness fad. It's been used by NASA, the military, and top hospitals for decades. When you breathe 100% oxygen under increased atmospheric pressure, something miraculous happens at the cellular level. And the best part, it literally turns back the clock of your DNA. Stanford University research shows HBOT can lengthen telomeres by up to 20%. That's like reversing 25 years of cellular aging. But most people don't know there's a scientific protocol that maximizes results. They do 10 to 20 sessions and wonder why they don't feel different. My husband and I committed to the full 60-session protocol, and what happened in weeks 11 and 12 will just blow your mind. All right, for those just joining us, here is the rapid fire recap. I'm documenting my complete hyperbaric oxygen therapy experience because when you hit midlife, you start asking different questions. Not how do I look younger, but how do I feel powerful? The protocol is 90-minute sessions. We did them 5 times a week at the pressure of 2 atmospheres. That's like being 30 feet underwater. but instead of water crushing you, it's pure oxygen healing you. We took some before test. We did inflammation markers and the telomere length. We observed our cognitive function and our sleep quality. I will be sharing these numbers with you in the future. Full transparency, every number, every result. Step 1, the foundation phase. Week 1 and 4, the first 20 sessions, maybe a little bit more energy, but honestly, you tend to question if this is really working. But I saw the research and I had faith. I did sleep a lot better during those times. Here's the psychology. Your body is literally learning how to use oxygen efficiently again. Think of it like physical therapy for your cells. Step 2, the breakthrough phase. Week 4 and 8. Around session 25, something shifted. You wake up one morning and you think, wait, I actually feel rested. My brain fog started lifting and I could see I was remembering more facts and details. Why does this work? Because your mitochondria, the powerhouse of your cells, are finally getting the fuel they need to repair and regenerate. Step 3, the transformation phase, week 8 through 12. This is where the magic happened. Sessions 41 through 60, especially weeks 11 and 12, were absolutely life-changing. You've now created enough cellular pressure to trigger neoplasticity, angiogenesis, the new blood vessel formation, and stem cell mobilization. Before we move forward, I wanted to ask you if you've ever felt lost after a major life change and you don't know how to move forward. I created something called the Midlife Reinvention Quiz and Blueprint, finding clarity, confidence, and your next chapter. It's the step-by-step guide I wish I had when I felt completely lost inside. I walk you through exercises to uncover your hidden strengths, test drive new directions, and rebuild an identity that feels aligned. If you're tired of drifting and want to design that next chapter of your life with clarity and confidence, check it out. The link is going to be in the description below. Now, friends, keep watching. The real magic happened in weeks 11 and 12 of my protocol. While most people do about 20 sessions over 4 or 8 weeks, I spaced mine strategically based on the recent Israel research. The real magic happens when you hit what I call the cellular tipping point. Around sessions 50 and 55, your body starts healing and starts thriving. In week 11, I noticed something incredible. I could work for 8 hours straight without that 3 p.m. energy crash. My memory became laser sharp. I felt like I was 35 again, but with the wisdom of my 55-year-old self. Week 12 was even better, but here's what nobody tells you about the advanced protocol. The truth is, there are 5 psychological reasons why this method works when others fail. The first one is cellular confidence. When your cells get optimized with oxygen, your entire nervous system calms down. The second one is compounding effect. Each session builds on the last. It's exponential, not linear healing. Number 3, your neuroplasticity activation. This increase in oxygen literally rewires your brain for resilience. Number 4 is mitochondria momentum. Your cellular engine starts running like high-performance machines. And number 5 is epigenetic expression. You're literally turning on youth genes and turning off aging genes. I speak mainly to women reinventing their life in midlife, but if you're a man on this path, this content about the hyperbaric oxygen chamber is for you as well. Now, here's the one thing about test. We have our pre-test report. Now is the time for retesting to see if we made any changes over these 60 sessions. Using the protocol we have studied, we have to wait 3 weeks after completing the 60th session before doing follow-up labs. Why? Because cellular regeneration takes time to show up in our blood work. We are currently in that waiting period, and let me tell you, the anticipation is killing us. Unfortunately, when you do the self-blood test at home, Then you send it in, and it takes them 4 to 6 weeks once they get it to get your test results completed. Science takes time. Remember, the timing of retesting after completing HBOT varies depending on what you're measuring and what your treatment goals are. The effects of HBOT can last for several weeks or months, and in some cases, they may be permanent. Some research has followed their patients for more than a year after completing their treatment to assess any long-term benefits. In the meantime, we will be starting our maintenance protocol. 3 weeks after our 60th session, we will be doing 3 to 4 sessions per week to keep those cellular gains. We'll be doing 1-hour sessions at different atmospheres each time we go in. So it's nothing like our first 60 session protocol. The truth is, you have more control over your cellular health than you've been led to believe. What's one symptom you'd love to see disappear with optimal cellular oxygen? Drop it in the comments. I read them all. If you want to learn more about revolutionary approaches to thriving in midlife, you need to watch my next video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new biohacks. Keep an eye out for the video we'll be making after our test results come back. Until next time.